Hola amigos! In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing one of the best fillings for tacos, chorizo con papas, or chorizo and potatoes. It's one of my favorite ways of eating tacos and I make this quite often. Of course, we're going to be using veggie chorizo and you can find this at any of your local supermarkets. Before we get cooking, I'd like to say, hi Danny, this video's for you. Hope you like it. Okay, let's get cooking. This vegan meal is super easy to put together, and actually the chorizo con papas is perfect for using in tortas, gorditas, sopes, burritos, nachos, quesadillas, and well, just about anything else you'd like to use it for. Thanks so much for stopping by. I do hope you cook this very soon. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, do subscribe so that you never miss a recipe. Happy cooking and adios amigos!